In today's video, we'll be introducing castor oil. Castor oil is a carrier oil. Carrier oil in the sense that you can actually dilute this with essential oils like your rosemary oil, your peppermint oil, and the rest, right? But in this video, we're going to be using it like this because it has amazing benefits that I'll be sharing with you. Amazing benefits. So while we incorporate this in our hair regimen today, stay tuned to the end because castor oil that you see right here contains a lot of benefits. Starting off strong, it helps you to thicken your hair. So if your hair is thinning out, or you are having very thin follicles, your hair follicles are very thin, it's not thick in nature, right? You can use castor oil. So this is basically how it looks like, and yeah, it has this thick consistency, which brings us to the next benefit. It can help to prevent hair breakage, right? And once you're able to prevent hair breakage, you're on your way to having healthy long bouncy hair. You're on your way to having more length retention, right? Because of the sticky and thick consistency, right? It will help you to coat your hair shaft, thereby preventing moisture loss, and in turn your hair breakage will reduce drastically and you'll see more length. So for those of you that have dry, brittle hair, or you're on the high porosity side, you can incorporate this into your routine by using the LCO or the LOC method. You know that, right? Your liquid, your conditioner, and your oil, or your liquid, oil, then conditioner. You get me? So as a sealant, I would rather you use this as your last step. So after you spray your water and you apply your leave-in conditioner, you would use this to seal in the moisture, right? So since we already have it on our palms, can you see? Like, it's so oily. Let me just try it. And this is the first time I'm incorporating this on my hair. Because this is the first time ever. If you check through my page, you will not see me use castor oil. I'm always using olive oil because that's what I have in handy. But castor oil, can you see the immediate shine? So another benefit is castor oil will give you shiny hair follicles. So if you know your hair is dull, it doesn't have a very good appearance, right? You can incorporate castor oil into your routine. And you can also use this to stimulate blood flow, which will in turn grow out your hair. So let's just do this. Massage it or rub it in your palms like this, then directly on your scalp. Then you massage in circular motion as you see me do. You can also apply on your edges like this. You can apply on your edges. So what I noticed so far is that this would be very great for those with high porosity because you tend to lose moisture very fast. So if you need something to retain moisture on your hair for the longest form, you can incorporate castor oil. It's quite thick. I'm not sure the low porosity girlies will really like this because you don't absorb moisture as much. So it will just basically be sitting on your shafts, right? And I, for one, I'm actually a low porosity girly, but I want to give it a trial so that we know what works for us at the end of the day. It's one thing for me to come and say, oh, this product is basically for this porosity, right, without showing you. So today I want to show like a practical example of carrier oil you can use on your low porosity hair. Both of us will be the judge, right? You that you're watching, you can tell me if it is suitable for my low porosity hair or not. So yeah, let's start the process normally. So let me use a portion of my hair that does not really have the castor oil yet, as opposed to this one that I started with. Do you understand me? So let's just put this in section and hold up. Yeah, let me try and secure this one. So yeah, first off, you try to separate your hair strands. Then you get your spray bottle with water. massage it in, as you can see me do. Ensure that your hair is fully coated with your hydrating product, which is your water. Then you go in with your leave-in conditioner. I have all my products handy. That is why I keep telling you that for you to forge ahead in your hair growth process, you need all your products handy. That's not the time you start looking for your leave-in conditioner, or you say you don't have leave-in conditioner and you're wondering why every other person's hair is thriving. That's because they've invested so much in products that will make their hair thrive, because truthfully you cannot do without hair products if you want healthy long hair. So now that that is done, our hair is fully coated with water and leave-in conditioner. We go ahead and apply the oil. Not too much, not too much, not too much, not too much. It's okay. This is okay. Rub in your palm. Coat it. Coat your hair. Then don't forget your scalp, because that is basically where your hair growth comes from. Right. Your white tooth comb. Always detangle from the tip of your hair. I'm sure this is like irregular information now. Then you work your way up to the roots of your hair. The reason why you detangle like that is it will help to prevent breakage, so that you can easily loosen up any form of knot or tangle from the tip, so that anyone that is coming from the root of your hair will not, break off the tip of your hair. Do you get me? So it will have like easy passage. So can you see? Can you see the curls are popping? So yeah. So what do you have to say? Does it look shiny enough? Does it look well moisturized? Would you be trying castor oil on your hair for the shine and the bounce and everything put together? Right? So with this, you can just easily twist up your hair. So castor oil is actually very great for your hair strand. You can incorporate it in your routine. You can decide to get it as a carrier oil to make your rosemary hair growth oil. I'm sure it will work perfectly for you. So can you see how this actually looks? If you can look at this twisted strand, where you can see that there's a smaller portion, there's a bigger portion, a smaller one. Like I just like how it is arranged, right? It's giving unique vibes. But anyway, you can just twist up your hair like this and repeat the same process. So when next you're detangling your hair, you can incorporate the star of the show with it, which is actually the castor oil. You can get any brand of castor oil. Do just what I have in handy, right? Now you know that the oil is actually thick and it has a slimy consistency, if I'm to say so myself. Like it's will I say drawing, whatever you call it. Anyway, you've seen the consistency, you've seen how it looks like. I feel like most people are used to using olive oil, because olive oil is actually very handy. Like you find it in most supermarkets or stores around. So yeah, I was once using olive oil till I found this. Yeah, so I'm trying to diversify, try things so that you out there can get recommendations from me. I'm just here to help you guys, basically. So that's just it. So yeah, I hope this helps. Now you know that castor oil can actually strengthen your hair strands. It can help you during your detangling process. It can help stimulate hair growth when you massage it into your scalp often time, right? It is quite heavy. It is quite heavy and it is quite thick, right? So if you know that you have low porosity, you might find it a little bit hard getting the oil to absorb into your hair shaft. So you would likely want to opt in for lighter oils. But if you want to take the risk like I'm doing, feel free. But basically those with high porosity would actually need this, because the oil is thick, thereby making moisture to not be easily prone to evaporation or dryness. So the oil would actually work perfectly for high porosity to help them keep the moisture that they've applied on their hair, right? So yeah, that's the video for today. What I did here, you can repeat the same process all around your hair. So I'll see you in my next, as per usual. I'm your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, And yeah, my hair growth ebook is still selling. The link is in the description box. Do well to click it, and I'll see you in my next. Bye guys.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me bank on it. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him.